Assalam-o-Alaikum friends. Today we are starting our journey into the world of chemistry. In this video you will learn what is chemistry, so why chemistry is important in daily life, time in easy examples like water, fire and cooking. This beginner-friendly lesson will make chemistry simple and interesting for everyone, especially students and kids. If you want to learn chemistry step by step in an easy way, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Conceptual understanding of chemistry. Conceptual understanding means truly understanding ideas, not just memorizing them. What is chemistry? Chemistry is a branch of science that studies matter, what things are made of, their properties and how they change. And in simple words, chemistry, the study of matter and its properties, and changes during physical or chemical change. Say everyday life chemistry. Chemistry is everywhere. Our cooking food, a washing with soap, a plant growth, one structure of matter. Everything is made of tiny particles. Atoms, smallest units. Molecules, group of atoms. Example, water, bond hydrogen plus oxygen. See conceptual image 1. Under, definition of state of matter. State of matter refers to the physical form in which matter exists, based on how its particles are arranged and how they move. Simple definition. A state of matter is the form of matter such as solid, liquid or gas. Gyash, easy understanding. It tells us how particles behave. It explains shape and volume of a substance, i.e. matter. Has 3 states. Final idea. State of matter, form plus particle behavior. Physical properties of substances. Each substance has its own properties. Color, smell, boiling point, reactivity, conductivity, melting point, boiling point. Chemical properties are flammability, reactivity, rusting, combustion, toxicity or corrosion. States of matter. 1. Solid. Definition. A solid has a fixed shape and fixed volume. Other properties. Particles are tightly packed, do not flow. Keep their shape solids, fixed shape. Stone, book, chair, apple, its pencil. 2. Liquid in definition. These have no fixed shape but fixed volume. It makes the shape of its container. Laws, properties. Particles are close but can move, can flow easily. Liquids, flowing, water, milk, oil, juice. 3. Gas. Definition. A gas has no fixed shape and no fixed volume. Properties. Particles are far apart, move freely and quickly, fill the whole space. Gases, invisible. Air, oxygen, helium, carbon dioxide. 4. Changes between states. Matter can change from one state to another. Ice, water, laksh, melting. Water, it is steam has kaan evaporation. Steam, now water, shaded condensation. Water, shalai skin at freezing. Easy trick and solid, no strong shape. Liquid, loose shape. Gas, goes everywhere. Chemical changes formation of molecules and compounds. When substances change into new substances, it's called a chemical reaction. As a result of chemical reactions, molecules and atoms forms molecular compounds, and elements forms ionic compound. Example, burning wood, ash plus gases. Cooking food, new taste, UL, plus oxygen, heat, plus light, plus new substances. Easy trick. Chemical change, new substance form. Smell, texture, important correction. Molecules and compounds are formed during reactions. Ionic compounds form when atoms gain or lose electrons. Molecular compounds form when atoms share electron. Different elements combine and form ionic compounds. Molecular compounds form when atoms share electrons. Similar or different atoms or elements form molecular compounds. Physical changes. Definition. A physical change is a change in which the form, shape or state of a substance changes, but no new substance is formed. Simple understanding. But the substance remains the same, only its appearance changes. Common examples. An ice melting becomes water, or water freezing becomes ice. A cutting paper, smaller pieces of paper, are dissolving salt in water. Melting chocolate. A final simple concept. Chemistry helps us understand what things are made of and how they change. Everything you can touch, feel or occupy space. Matter. Not matter, important. Some things are not matter because they don't have mass or space. Inshallah. Light on, sound, heat, energy. Thanks for watching. Remember, chemistry is not difficult, it's all around us. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Always every expert was once a beginner. So don't stop learning. Chemistry will become easy step by step. See you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't stop learning. Chemistry will become easy step by step. See you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay connected, keep learning, and let's make chemistry easy together. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. The PDF of this lesson is available in the description box.